Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how I draw horses. And this is a special for 40 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much. And so while we're waiting for people to comment questions or live stream questions, or I'm gonna draw, and you can write questions in this video, you can write in the other video. It's really kind of up to you. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm going to sketch out a circle. It can be a very quick circle. So you have to make two big circles. They have to be kind of like the same size. A tail, it can be however you like. Usually I have a model horse and that kind of helps me. So I don't have a model horse right now. I can't really do that. So that, and you create the head, which is, and for you guys that are watching, I'm going too fast, you can just pause it. I work. It's easier for me to do it just working by myself with my comics that I'm making, my books. I just sit down and I'm all by myself. I might listen to like some music and sometimes even YouTube videos. Like if I'm missing out on things and I still want to be doing something else, I'll listen to your guys' videos. Very entertaining, but then I have to go back into YouTube and click the next video so it's not an ad or something. But yeah, so I'm just I have not drawn a horse in forever. So if this is very bad, I am so sorry. What type of leg is that? I'm just kind of tired, I guess. Maybe this could be a Clydesdale. Should this be a Clydesdale? So, oh, this is bad. When I look on the camera, it looks kind of good, but in real life, it looks just kind of disgusting. I don't know. I don't like that. Like, I don't know. Is my nose getting in the way? I feel like it is. Maybe. Wait. No, I'm not gonna do that. I shouldn't do that. I'm not gonna do. Well, it's okay. I'm gonna keep that. What is that? That's so sloppy. Okay. Maybe I could like curl that around. I don't know, that looks kind of cheesy, but I'm going with it. Okay, actually, maybe it could be like, I don't know, that.
What if it's a Kelpie? It's not actually a horse, it could be a Kelpie.
No, I'm not doing that. This is not a Kelpie. This is... I bet a bunch of the comments are being like, oh my gosh, that could have been a Kelpie.
How dare you? How dare you not change that into a Kelpie?
Apparently my brother wants to take a shower right now. I guess he does have like a meeting, a Zoom meeting. Still. That's so bad. But I haven't drawn horses in like so long. My gosh, this has already been like 5 minutes. This is gonna take... Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to edit this all out. And of course, you gotta sign it. I'm gonna do... There I go. Of course that's not my real name, but like, thank you for subscribing. Oh my gosh, I sound so bored. I'm like more excited in my mind than I am with Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. 40 sub special. Yeah. Woo! Thank you for watching.